I'm Matt Beebe with Mazak Music here in San Marcos, Texas, and today I'm going to talk to you about putting a pick guard on an acoustic guitar. Now, pick guards are used on guitars for the purpose of protecting the guitar from any pick marks that may be put on there while playing. And again, putting a pick guard on a guitar is a personal choice. Some people might like the look of a pick guard and they have a really hard attack and they may need a pick guard, while other people prefer not to have one at all just for the aesthetics. It's quite easy to find pick guards that you can install on your guitar yourself. Now, most of the pick guards that you'll buy nowadays have a self-adhesive backing to the pick guard, which makes it quite easy to install. When installing a pick guard and placing it on the top of the guitar, you want to make sure that the outside of the rosette of the guitar matches the curvature of the pick guard that you're placing on there. However, keep in mind that not all pick guards can easily be placed on the tops of guitars. You might have to take into account the size of the rosette of the guitar around the sound hole, or the aesthetics or artwork surrounding the sound hole, as well as the curvature of the pick guard. I'm Matt Beebe with Mazak Music in San Marcos, Texas, and I just talked to you about putting a pick guard on an acoustic guitar.